Let's see the demo, basically jump directly to the result. So we will take this image. This image is a 512 by 512 resolution, and we would like to run the super resolution via diffusion inversion. We will learn how to run it, and basically we will get this result. So you can see that the details are very high, and also the resolution of the image is a lot bigger. And we will cover the full process. We will learn how to install it, and then we will run this application. This will be our source image, and here you can see the result. And of course we will run through all the process. This is the Hugging Face area. This is the model card. We will learn how to install everything and how to run it locally on your machine. Great. So let's start with the installation. Let's start with the installation process. As always, I will leave a link in the video description for the code, for the instructions, and also for our two sample images. So first of all, you should create a new Conda environment based on Python 3.10. I name it InvSR. Of course, you can choose your own custom name. This process, these scripts can run on Linux machine and Windows machine. I'm running it on Windows with a GPU card. After creating the new environment, of course, you should define it as your current environment using the activate command. And from here we are starting to do all the installation. First of all, you have to clone the repo. This is the repo, so I decided to clone it under a folder named tutorials. Once again, you can choose your own custom name, and after cloning the repo, you should go inside this subfolder named InvSR. So now we are inside this folder. Let's display just for 1 second. So here's the tutorials folder, and inside this is all the data, all the files that were downloaded using the git clone command. Next, you have to install PyTorch. This specific repo was generated using PyTorch 2.4.0. So you can go to the PyTorch website and see the specific command for installing PyTorch 2.4.0. So this is the generic command for the installation. There is also a Conda command, but as for now, it's good enough. After that, we should run these commands, and there is the requirement .txt that contains several files. We can watch them once again here. Well, here. So this is the requirements.txt. So you can see here all these are being installed during this command. And next, there was several adjustments that I discovered after it. That first of all, you should reinstall the OpenCV headless with a version under 4.0, and also NumPy and Gradio. Please install this specific version. This combination works, believe me. After that, we have to download the weights file. This is the link for the weights file. If you go to the browser, here is the link, and you should go to the files and versions and install this specific file. Here are all the files. In our case, we have to download this specific file. And after downloading, we have to copy the file to the weights subfolder. And when we finish, we have to run this command, python app.py. Now let's go back to our command prompt. All these list of commands was run under this command prompt. You can see this is our current environment. And now we have to run the app. So let's copy this command, python app.py. Let's paste it and let's run it. Now in the first time it will download more weights files and more required subfolders. So you should just wait, I believe, 2 or 3 minutes, and after that you will get this information running on local URL. So you should copy, mark this text and copy, and let's go back to our browser. Let's open a new browser and let's paste it and click enter. So now we are ready to run our super resolution process. So this is our app, and from now it's a very simple process. So let's pick our image. We will use this specific image. Let's open the image. Let's reduce it a little bit. Let's see what is the dimensions. You can see it here. Here are the dimensions, 512 by 512, and you can also see the granularity. It's not really a good image as for the quality. So we will pick this image, drag and drop it here, and here we have 3 parameters. Number of steps, this is a value from 1 to 5, and basically it will affect the time period for doing this super resolution process. I believe that for now one step will be good enough. I believe it will take about between 5 and 10 minutes. Then the chopping size, this is affect the consumption of your memory card, because this is the how many parts he will cut the image, how many chunks will be let's say calculated at the same time. If we will choose 256, it will consume more memory. As for now, let's choose the value 108. You will not see a big difference between the two values. And here you can choose your random seed, any random number. If you would like to get the same result each time, you should choose the same value here. Let's leave it as the default. And I believe we can press the process button, and here you can see the progress bar. You can see here the counter of the seconds, and for now we have to wait until the process will be finished. We can jump to the command prompt, and we can see here also the progress. In the first time it will download here several weights or more model if they are required for the process, and you can follow here the progress. I believe I will stop here the recording, and we will continue after the process is finished. So the process has finished. This is our source image, the low resolution image, and here is the result. As you can see, a very detailed result. We can also open the local folder. This is the local folder, and this is our original image. Let's open it. This is our original image, and next to it we can open the result, and we can put one next to each other, and you can compare the two results. Very good detailed image. Every small detail exists in the high resolution image, very good super resolution solution. So I believe that is conclude our tutorial. You're most welcome to subscribe my channel. More incredible Python libraries will be uploaded soon.